Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most natural and effective ways to lose weight, herbs. Herbs have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties, and many of them are known to help with weight loss. One of the easiest and most popular ways to consume herbs for weight loss is through tea. You can brew your own herbal tea at home with just a few simple ingredients. Another way to consume herbs is by blending them into smoothies. This not only adds flavor but also boosts the nutritional value of your drink. You can also use herbs as a seasoning in your cooking. Many herbs like parsley, thyme, and basil are low in calories and add a ton of flavor to your meals. But using herbs isn't just about what you consume. Incorporating herbs into your lifestyle can also help you maintain a healthy weight. Some herbs like green tea, ginseng, and ashwagandha have been known to boost metabolism and reduce stress, which can help with weight loss. Additionally, incorporating stress-relieving activities like meditation and yoga into your routine can help you manage your weight more effectively. Keeping a food journal and tracking your progress can also help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. So there you have it, a few simple and natural ways to incorporate herbs into your weight loss journey. Give them a try and see how they work for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health and wellness tips.